Abram Khan, the youngest son of Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan, recently turned 12. The special day was celebrated with an intimate party hosted by Gauri and daughter Suhana at the Arts Cafe in Mumbai on 27 May. The Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center, or NMAC, shared a heartwarming video on their Instagram. We see Suhana lovingly holding Abram's hand as they enter a beautifully decorated venue filled with flowers and a delicious food spread. A special chocolate cake was also prepared for the birthday boy. Abram's Nani was also present to join in the celebrations. The whole event was filled with joy and sweet moments, as NMAC captioned, "Such a joy to welcome back Mrs. Gauri Khan, designer of the NMAC Arts Cafe, along with Suhana Khan and family for Abram's birthday celebrations. Another evening full of sweet moments and big smiles." But amid the happy vibes, fans couldn't help but notice something. Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan Khan were missing from the party. One social media user asked, "And where is the older brother and dad?" While another wrote, "Where's King Khan?" The absence of both Shah Rukh and Aryan sparked a lot of curiosity online. Interestingly, Shah Rukh's manager, Pooja Dadlani, did attend the celebration, but Shah Rukh and Aryan gave it a miss, leaving fans to wonder why. The work front, Shah Rukh and Suhana have teamed up for a new film titled King, which reportedly recently went on floors. However, this project has yet to be officially announced. Despite Shah Rukh and Aryan's absence, the family made sure Abram's 12th birthday was full of love and happiness. What do you think? Why did they skip the party? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest Bollywood updates. Janhvi Kapoor is making headlines, this time not for her films, but for a viral Instagram like that stirred up a storm online. The Mr. and Mrs. Mahi actress recently liked a reel that compared her late mother, the legendary Sridevi, to Bollywood icon Madhuri Dixit. And let's just say, fans are not taking it lightly. The reel splits the screen between Madhuri's iconic Dhak Dhak Karne Laga performance from Beta and Sridevi's dual role in Khuda Gawah. It accuses Madhuri of winning the Filmfare Best Actress award for a vulgar step and doing nothing, while claiming Sridevi was ignored despite delivering a landmark performance that carried the entire film. A screenshot showing Janhvi's Instagram handle in the likes list is going viral. And now, social media users are debating whether it was a subtle dig at Madhuri or just a mistake. One social media user wrote, "Even she will come up with the algorithm story now," referring to the recent incidents with Virat Kohli and Tamannaah Bhatia, who also claimed their Instagram accounts accidentally liked controversial posts. Another comment read, "Wait for her to join the Kohli-Tamannaah gang of accidental like posts." A third user defended Madhuri, saying, "Yes, Madhuri's Beta was a hit and she performed brilliantly. But acting-wise too, she earned that award. It wasn't just a dance number." One user joked, "Another victim of the algorithm pandemic, hoping Instagram comes with a vaccine soon." So far, Janhvi hasn't made any statement about the like or addressed the backlash. But with screenshots still circulating and online speculation growing, it's clear many aren't buying the accidental like excuse just yet. What do you think? Was it a mistake or a message? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The makers of the much-awaited film Sayyara have just dropped the teaser, and fans can't stop talking. Featuring two fresh faces, Ahan Pandey and Aneet Para, this Mohit Suri directorial promises to bring back the magic of classic romance. Mark your calendars, Sayyara is set to hit theaters on 18th July 2025. Introducing Ahan Pandey, the newest star from the famous Pandey family, making his leading man debut. With his smoldering looks and intense stares in the teaser, he's already a strong contender for the new YRF hero. Opposite him is Aneet Para, who impressed audiences in Big Girls Don't Cry. This film marks her official entry as a female lead. From what we see, their chemistry is already sizzling on screen. Directed by Mohit Suri, known for emotional hits like Aashiki 2 and Ek Villain, Sayyara marks his 20th year in the industry. It's described as an intense love story that will break your heart and heal it too. The teaser release sparked excitement online. Alim Hakim commented, "First movie blockbuster hoon ji, best of luck Ahan Sabha ki taraf se my heart." He added, "Wow, fab, this is so good." Tara Sutaria shared, "Ahani, it's finally happening, so proud of you. You both are just wonderful in the trailer." Fans also posted messages like best wishes and called the teaser intense with fiery emojis. But not everyone is happy. Some critics slammed the film as another Nepo Kid launch Yojana, saying how easily Nepo Kids get launched through YRF. Earlier, being a YRF hero or heroine meant a prestigious launch or a significant career milestone. Now it feels more like a Nepo Kid launch Yojana. Love, drama, and debut stars, Sayyara promises a heartfelt journey. Don't miss it when it releases worldwide on 18th July 2025.
सुरवीन चावला ने शेयर किया अपना कास्टिंग काउच इंसिडेंट। बॉलीवुड में अक्सर एक्ट्रेसेस को फेस करने पड़ते हैं डिस्टर्बिंग कास्टिंग काउच इंसिडेंट्स, और कई बार एक्ट्रेसेस इस चीज पर खुलकर करती हैं बात। Surveen Chawla put up a brave front, and recently she spoke at length about her casting couch and body shaming experiences in the film industry. Surveen Chawla रही हैं हमेशा vocal, और हाल ही में she spoke about the casting couch incident too that she had to face. She spoke about meeting a director at his Mumbai office who was well aware that she was newly married, और साथ-साथ he leaned in to allegedly kiss her after the meeting. और वहीं पर सुरवीन इस डायरेक्टर की ऑडेसिटी पर हो गई शॉक, और सुरवीन को उन्हें धक्का मारकर वॉक ऑफ करना पड़ा। तो वहीं सुरवीन ने एक और इंसिडेंट पर बात की है जो दरअसल उनकी शादी के बाद हुआ था। उन्होंने कहा, "I will tell you a tale about Mumbai's Veera Desai Road only. After the meeting at his office cabin, the director came to see me off at the gate, and this was after I got married. The strange thing was that we talked about this in the meeting also. He asked me how it was going and what my husband did, and it was just us speaking inside his cabin because he had a big office. So when I came to the door to say bye, he leaned towards me trying to kiss me, and I had to push him back. I was startled and asking him what he was doing, and I just walked off." तो वहीं उन्होंने एक और किस्सा बताया जहां एक साउथ फिल्म डायरेक्टर ने उन्हें कहा था that he wants to sleep with her during a shoot. और वहीं पर उन्होंने ये भी शेयर किया कि उन्हें साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के रोल्स के लिए वजन बढ़ाने की भी सलाह दी गई थी। उन्होंने बोला, "Yes, I was told you're too thin, slim, because you won't have bottoms. कुछ हिलेगा नहीं, nothing will jiggle, nothing will bounce. Now it's done a little more sophisticatedly. In my time, they were not so sophisticated. They told me to my face, so I gave it back to their face." इससे पहले भी कई इंटरव्यूज में सुरवीन ने बॉडी शेमिंग पर खुलकर की है बात, और एक इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने कहा था, "It's like they make it their job to make you feel insecure. Your weight, your waist size, your chest size, everything is questioned." वेल, ये इंसिडेंट्स वैसे तो हैरान कर देने वाले हैं और कई बार एक्ट्रेसेस ने खुलकर इन चीजों पर बात भी की है। वेल, आपकी इस बारे में क्या राय है? कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा।